Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most gorgeous collection of beautiful trendy shoes designs, beautiful comfortable shoes designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts you can see. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes design. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Beautiful heel designs, party wear shoes designs, casual wear shoes designs, slip-on shoes designs, soft and comfort shoes design. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Those who love such type of shoes designs, beautiful wedge heel designs, slippers and sandal designs, chappal designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish color combination contrasts, beautiful light and dark color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Low price stylish shoes designs. You can buy these very beautiful shoes designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful shoes designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful comfort shoes designs, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Comfort shoes designs, top designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Every company designs, beautiful chappal, slippers and sandal designs you can see in this my video.